looking out in the forest at all the animals with my binoculars.
Well, Susie, I'm glad I found you so I can learn about all your interesting adventures. What do you see today? Oh, shh, sorry.
I see a big bear. His fur looks soft and makes you want to hug him, but he is very big and strong. He doesn't have very many enemies.
You be careful, Susie, because bears are big and strong. They can hurt people when they feel threatened. What color is the bear?
It's a big black bear, and I am being very careful. I'm hiding in this cave behind the bushes to protect myself. That way the bear won't see me.
It's good to keep hiding so you are protected from the bear.
Oh, look! There's something in the bushes over there, but I can't see it. I need my binoculars.
What is it? Tell me what it is.
It's not as big as a bear, and it has short brown hair with white spots all over its body.
Didn't you see it before?
No, it's a baby deer called a fawn, and it just blends in with the bushes. God made it to blend in with its surroundings for protection. Isn't he cute?
Well, where's the mama bear? Or I mean deer.
The mama deer? The doe? Oh, there she is, over there, munching on some grass and flowers. She can run really fast if danger comes close to her. The daddy deer, or buck as they are called, have large horns called antlers. They can fight with their antlers, but the mama tells the baby to stay very still so the enemies won't notice her because she can't run very fast yet.
That is a good idea. It's always good to listen to our mothers. By obeying our mothers, we can save ourselves from a lot of problems. Sometimes it even saves our lives.
Oh, now I see a black and white furry creature that is about the size of a kitty.
Susie, stay away from that animal. That is not a kitty, it's a skunk.
I know.
Hee-wee.
I know. They usually move around at night. They make their homes in burrows or rotten logs here in the forest. But they are usually a very shy animal.
Yes, they are shy, but if disturbed, do you know what they will do?
Yes, I do. They will stomp their feet, and if the enemy doesn't back away, they will aim their tail at the attacker and spray them with very stinging mist. You can't get rid of that for about a year, and they can spray up to 12 feet away.
I guess that it is a good way to protect themselves.
Look! I see something, but what? I see something funny with a bushy tail.
What does it look like? What color is it?
Slow down, one question at a time.
Okay, but really, it's all one question.
Yes, you're right, it is. There's a red furry animal that looks a lot like a dog, except has a long bushy tail. It's a fox. The tail helps it keep its balance when he is running.
What does the fox do to protect itself from enemies?
Well, they can sprint or run real fast for long distances. They can climb trees and they're excellent swimmers. But mostly they protect themselves by building small burrows or dens in the ground and hide in them. Then the large animals can't get to them.
God surely provided for all the animals.
Yes, he did. Oh, look. Now I see a very little animal that burrows also. Only their burrows are smaller and have long tunnels under the ground.
What animal is this?
It is a berries that they puff out.
How do they protect themselves?
They make sharp alarm noises that alerts the others, and they all scurry into their tunnels and hide. They store their food in their tunnels so they can stay in their homes as long as they need.
It's good they listen and come running when they are told.
Yes, and I think I hear my mother calling me, so I better obey and go home at once.
Yes, that's a good idea. Goodbye, Susie.
See you later.
Bye, kids. Join us next Sabbath to see what other